Hi, I'm Jonna Magliano and I'm from Privé Salon and Spa in Baltimore. Today I finished the Trade Secret program with Laura and Caroline, and I have to say was the best experience professionally, personally. We did everything from haircuts to working on ourselves. I highly recommend this class. It's definitely the best class I've ever taken. I've learned so much today that I can't wait to use it from here on out, and I can't wait to come back because now they are my new mentors.
Hi, my name is Michelle Neely and I am from Smethborough, Pennsylvania. I am a salon owner and a stylist, and today I just came to New York to the Trade Secret class with Laura Renier and Caroline, and I'll tell you, it is absolutely amazing. I am blessed to be here today. I'm honored to have them have shown me the secrets that I need to know. It's going to change my career. It's very, very inspiring, and I highly recommend that you attend. It's amazing. She's amazing. The whole thing was great. Thank you so much.